NASA and modern astronomy claim that the Earth is a massive sphere, tilting, wobbling and spinning at a mind-boggling 1,000 miles per hour around its axis. But wait, there's more. They also say our planet is flying in a 67,000 mile per hour orbit around the Sun. And if you think that's fast, the entire solar system is supposedly spiraling at 500,000 miles per hour around the Milky Way. Then, as a cherry on top, the whole galaxy itself is hurtling through the universe at a staggering 670 million miles per hour. Phew. All these mind-numbing speeds allegedly originate from a colossal Big Bang explosion 14 billion years ago. Now if you do the math, that's a whopping 670,568,000 miles per hour in multiple different directions. You'd think we'd be able to feel at least some of that insane motion, right? But here's the twist. Despite all these supposed cosmic rollercoaster rides, no one has ever seen, felt, heard, measured, or even proven any of these movements exist. Seriously. No experiments have detected any motion, and this brings us to something flat earthers find very intriguing. Polaris, the North Star. Modern science says Polaris is positioned somewhere between 323 and 434 light-years away. To put that into perspective, that's a distance of nearly 2 quadrillion miles. But here's the kicker. Astronomers can't even agree on its exact distance, with a mind-blowing range difference of over 666 trillion miles. Yes, that's a 666 in there. Coincidence or clue? You decide. Even if we accept these wildly distant stars as fact, there's something astronomers can't explain. How in the world does Polaris remain perfectly aligned above the North Pole, night after night? Think about it. Even with all this tilting, wobbling, rotating, and rocketing through space at unimaginable speeds, Polaris stays put. Like a faithful cosmic lighthouse, it never strays from its post, always pointing north. How does it manage to stay in perfect position while we're supposedly flying through space in multiple directions? Flat earthers argue that this simply wouldn't be possible if the Earth were a spinning, wobbling sphere. Instead, they suggest that the Earth is a flat, stationary plane, and that's why Polaris never budges. If this has you scratching your head and wanting to know more, there's a lot to uncover.